Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Doxy here with another video for y'all today. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to basically back up your XAMPP FiveM database and then move it over to heidisql using MariaDB. So getting straight into this video, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to head over here to the link in the description. It's going to take you to heidisql, and then you're going to want to download your operating system, 64-bit or Linux, whichever one you're running. So you go ahead and hit Windows. So we're going to download the Windows version and we're going to drag this to the desktop. All right, once this is on the desktop, we're going to simply run this. So install for all users is recommended. Hit yes on the little notification that pops up. You're going to accept the agreement, hit next, and then you have the file path. You're going to hit next. You're going to hit next one more time. And then here, you're going to just go ahead and hit next again. Next again, and then it's going to install. All right, once it's installed, we can go ahead and launch Heidi. So let's go ahead and finish this and install it. So inside of here, we will have this here, which seems to be the database that we're using. Let's just go ahead and confirm that. Yep, 536. So we do have 536 inside of here. So we'll close out of here. We're going to right click here, export, and then we're going to go ahead and export the tables as such. All right. All right, so right here goes the file. What we're going to do with this is we're going to take this particular file here and just keep it with our downloads. We're going to close out of Heidi for now. And now what we need to do is we need to go to XAMPP and we need to go ahead and stop MySQL and stop Apache. You're then going to look for your system tray for XAMPP, right click it and close it. If it's telling you that the application is still open like it is for me, do Control-Alt-Delete, go to Task Manager and then search for XAMPP processes. If you're not getting any there it is. So it's running in the background. Double click that thing and then hit End Task. All right, once it's ended, what we're going to do is we're going to go to Control Panel. And then we're going to go to Uninstall Program. We're going to go all the way to the bottom usually is where it's at. And then go ahead and double click on XAMPP and then hit Yes. Alright, so sometimes XAMPP does get hung up on the uninstall process. There's an easier way to do this if you haven't taken that step already. You can just go to this PC and then you can go on Program Files, I do believe, and look for XAMPP. If it's not going to be in there, to be in your Program Files 86 and then look for XAMPP. And it's still not in there. So it looks like it did delete it, just waiting on it to confirm that it deleted it, but we'll go ahead and move forward while we're waiting on this. I've seen this error before and it doesn't really stop anything. So the next link into the description here, we're going to have MariaDB. From here, what we're going to want to do is hit download. It's going to download this package for you. Once this package is downloaded, you're going to move this over onto your desktop just like so. And then you're going to double click on MariaDB. Go ahead and hit next. You accept, next. And then from here, you're going to go ahead and hit next again. You're not going to want a password. You're going to enable access from remote machines for root user. You just go ahead and uncheck that there and then go ahead and hit next. Now here it's going to tell you that this is the database. The TCP port is 3306, which is okay. Go ahead and hit next. Install. Then you're going to hit yes on that notification, and then MariaDB is installing right now, so that means that XAMPP is officially uninstalled. I'm not sure why this glitch happens, but it's happened to me multiple times on VPSs and local machines. The best way to get this thing to disappear is once we're done with the install, just go ahead and restart your machine and this should be gone. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and hit finish. We're going to then go ahead and reopen up our heidisql. We're going to want to click on the heidisql that's over here already installed. So now we have unnamed. Inside of here you can see there's nothing there. Oh no, there's nothing there, don't worry. So what we're going to do is close out. We're going to go ahead and take this database backup that we have right here. For you guys, just right click it and then you guys can actually open it with, if you guys don't already have this as an option. So you can do choose another application, make sure you have Heidi selected and then hit always. So by doing that, it's going to open it up. You're going to double click inside of here. If you don't have that already, it's as simple as hitting new. And then from here, you're going to just hit this little play button, it looks like. All right. So once that's done, the database was installed, you can close out of this, open your Heidi again, click inside of here, and now you'll see that we have a database inside of here. Okay, guys, so the database is in here. So what we'll do is minimize that window. We'll go ahead and go over here to our server, and now we're going to start our server up to make sure that the database has connected successfully. Alright guys, so I had a background process that was running that was preventing me from opening it, so I closed that background process out, and now when I click on the server, it's going to load up, and it should say that the database connection was established successfully. Just going to go ahead and wait on this here. And as you guys can see here, the database connection was established. So if you guys are having any issues with transferring from XAMPP to MariaDB, go ahead and join our Discord and make a ticket, and we will help you guys with that process. I hope this video helped you guys on getting onto a more smoother, stable database and moving away from the developmental database so that way your FiveM server can run smoothly. If this video did help you, don't forget to hit the bell for all notifications and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.